PrusaSlicer is a powerful slicing software for 3D printing. Today we will show you how to set it up for Kingroon 3D printers. First, go visit its website. Click Software. Then you will find the option for it. It has 3 versions, which are Windows, Mac, and Linux. Just choose the one for your computer. If you scroll down, there's a lot of information you may need, like tutorials and articles, which makes it easy for starters. Alright, let's go ahead. And the full version is recommended. Once we finished, double-click to open it. The installation is easy, just keep everything default. And remember to install Pronterface. It's a powerful tool that you will need later. Then you are all set. Click the desk shortcut. Then a short flash starts. There's a setting wizard come out. Just click Finish to skip. For those who have downloaded our profile, you can import it directly. Click File. Then click Import. Then click Import Config and locate the file. After that, the import is done. All the preset has been imported. You can slice to print now. Or you can follow our steps to set your own. Click Add, Remove Printers. The setting wizard comes back. Click Custom Printer. Set a printer name. Set firmware type as Marlin. Set the print value as 180 plus 180. Keep nozzle setting as default. Set bed temperature as 60. Set rest as default. Choose the model you prefer. Go to Print Settings. Set layer height as 0.1. First layer height as 0.2. Add solid layers to 5 layers. Both top and bottom. Enable, ensure vertical shell thickness. Deselect, detect thin walls. Set seam position as nearest. Then the layer and perimeters setting is finished. You can adjust the layer height from 0.1 to 0.2. Remember to add the first layer height, too. Layer height affects the print time and print quality. 0.1 to 0.2 should give you a good result. Next, go to the Infill setting. Set the infill pattern as rectilinear. Set the top fill pattern as concentric. Set the bottom fill pattern as rectilinear. Select Enable Ironing. It will help you get the smoother print surface. Enable the second to last option to finish the setting. Go to the Skirt and Brim setting. Set the loops as 0. You can turn off the skirt. Set the distance as 10. Set skirt height as 3. Set the last setting as 4. Go to the Speed setting. Set the perimeter as 50. Then keep the rest as default. Go to the Advanced setting. Set Top Solid Infill as 0.45. Then set the Bridge Flow Ratio as 0.8. Set XY Size Compensation as -0.2. Set Elephant Foot Compensation as 0.1. Make sure it's the same as the layer height. Go to the Filament setting. Set the first layer nozzle temperature as 220. You can keep it as default, that depends on you. Set the first layer bed temperature as 65. Adjust that base on your preference, too. I just prefer a higher temperature to start. Then go to Cooling. Select Keep Fan Always On. Set minimum fan speed as 60. Set Disable Fan for the first as 1. Keep the rest as default. Then go to the Printer settings. Set the max print height as 180. Then enable Support Remaining Times. Enable Use Relative Distance, and keep the rest as default. Go to the Extruder 1-inch setting. Set the max layer height limits as 0.1. Make sure to make it the same as your layer height. Set the retraction length as 4. Set Lift Z as 0.2. Set retraction speed as 80. Set detraction speed as 50. Then enable Retract on layer change. Enable Wipe while retracting. Set Retract amount before wipe as 15. Then keep the rest as default. You are all set then. You can give your setting a name. Now you are ready to slice for printing. Click Add button. Locate and choose the file you want to print. It may take some time to load. Then you'll be able to process the print. It's a simple slicing software. We will make a new video to show you some tricks soon. Let's do a quick slice. Once you finished, click Slice Now. It may take some time. When the process is done, click Export G-code. Just save the file to your SD card. You're ready to print. Thanks for watching. Happy 3D printing!